Okay, y'all come back. So that's a McLaren. Oh, that's a nice McLaren. I'm gonna show them a Ferrari. There's a white Ferrari over here. It's pretty nice. I like that. GTR right there.
Can you take a picture of all these?
No, I'm recording them.
Huh?
I'm recording them. See? See? You see that car right there? See that car? McLaren? What is this? What is that? What is that? That car is that?
Maserati.
Look at that Maserati. Oh yeah, that is.
Okay, Maserati.
Oh, look at that.
Wait, can I get McLaren merch?
No, see, that has a Ferrari engine.
Can I have McLaren merch? Guys, I want McLaren merch so bad.
See, if you bought a Maserati, they'll probably give you the bag. Actually,
Okay. Look at these Maseratis. Yeah, these things are cool. This one all the way down there. Or right
that's
here.
Maserati as well.
Yeah, that's a McLaren over there. I'll show you.
$70,000,
Right there. So McLaren.
which is
Let's go.
insanely cheap for a Ferrari engine.
You think they have Tesla here?
Huh?
Tesla?
Oh, probably not. No, I don't have the Tesla.
Tesla 3s you can't buy yet.
Okay. So we're walking around. Keep walking.
Surprised you didn't get in the Porsche, PJ.
I know. Let's go in there.
What, there's Porsche? Oh yeah.
Don't leave my camera running because it's gonna use up the battery a lot. I mean the
Okay.
space a lot.
Bye guys. Peace.